My name is Dr. James Ross, and I'm an orthopedic surgeon at Baptist Health. I'm an orthopedic surgeon with a specialty in sports medicine. I treat several conditions involving the shoulder, elbow, knee, and hip. Many of my surgeries include joint preservation surgery, which are aimed at trying to keep the patient's joint and preserve their joints rather than replace them. The most satisfying aspect of my profession is getting patients back to what they love to do. There's nothing more satisfying to me to see a patient come limping into my office because of pain or inability to function in life, and after performing a surgery and seeing them through their post-operative course and ultimately on that last visit telling them that they can get back to doing what they love to do and seeing them do that. For me, that's the most special part of being an orthopedic surgeon. To people that live active lifestyles, I think it's very important to have balance. Sometimes we do too much, and that can result in many overuse injuries of the body. So I think having a balance of not only being active, but having the appropriate amounts of rest in order for your body to recover so that you can continue to be active into your later ages of life. I think empathy plays a very important role in patient care. Patients come to you when they're at their most vulnerable times, so it's important for you to put yourself in that patient's place. Imagine them as your family member, your friend. How can you help that patient out and really emphasize and listen to the patient in order to make sure that you provide the care that they need. I want my patients to remember me as someone who listened, someone who was able to be there and answer the questions that they have, as well as help them get back to what they want to do.